Welcome to the DIY Honda Garage channel. The DTC P065A refers to the ACG No Charging Malfunction error that primarily affects the electrical charging system of the Honda Fit models from 2015 to 2020. This code indicates that the alternator is not generating the necessary voltage to keep the vehicle's battery charged. It is crucial to address this issue quickly, as a malfunctioning charging system can lead to battery drain and ultimately cause the vehicle to fail to start. The alternator is a key component located near the front of the engine and is responsible for converting mechanical energy into electrical energy, which keeps the battery charged and powers electrical systems while the engine is running. An accurate diagnosis of this issue using a suitable diagnostic tool like the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, is essential in order to pinpoint the exact failure point. Proper handling of DTC codes is vital for restoring the vehicle's functionality and ensuring reliability. The error described by DTC P065A, or ACG No Charging Malfunction, specifically indicates a failure in the charging system of the vehicle. The alternator is the main component affected by this error code, and its role is to convert mechanical energy produced by the engine into electrical energy. This energy is crucial for charging the vehicle's battery and supplying power to the vehicle's electrical systems while the engine is running. In Honda Fit models, the alternator is located at the front of the engine, typically mounted near the serpentine belt. If the alternator is malfunctioning, it may fail to generate the necessary voltage, leading to low battery levels and eventually causing the vehicle to stall. Addressing this malfunction involves utilizing the HDS diagnostic tool to assess the status of the charging system accurately. Several possible causes could lead to the DTC P065A indicating an ACG No Charging Malfunction. A key issue may be a faulty alternator that fails to generate sufficient voltage. This could happen due to internal problems like bad windings or a worn-out voltage regulator. Another potential cause is a worn drive belt that may not properly transmit power from the engine to the alternator, leading to reduced charging capabilities. Additionally, electrical connection issues, such as corrosion at the battery terminals or faulty wiring, can impede the flow of current from the alternator. These causes should be explored and rectified to ensure the integrity of the charging system. A systematic approach to troubleshooting these issues is essential for identifying and addressing the core problem. Symptoms associated with the DTC P065A can include the illumination of the battery warning light on the instrument panel. This light serves as a crucial alert, indicating potential problems with the charging system. Other noticeable symptoms may include dimming headlights, which can occur when the alternator is unable to supply necessary voltage. Furthermore, electrical system failures may manifest as erratic operation of various vehicle components, such as power windows, radio, or air conditioning. If these symptoms are observed, it is vital to address them promptly, as they may lead to more severe issues, including complete vehicle shutdown. Recognizing these symptoms early can help in timely diagnostics and repairs, ensuring optimal vehicle performance. The first step in troubleshooting the DTC P065A involves checking the vehicle's diagnostic trouble codes, DTC, using the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS. Start by turning the vehicle to the on mode. This prepares the system for diagnosis. Next, utilize the HDS to clear any existing DTCs, including the P065A error code. Clearing codes is important to ensure that the system resets and can reveal current issues without the interference of past codes. After clearing the DTC, start the engine and allow it to idle for about 1 minute. This step ensures that the vehicle's systems go through their initial checks and can potentially reveal new current or pending DTCs related to the charging system. Keeping track of these codes is critical for effective troubleshooting. In the second troubleshooting step for DTC P065A, you need to check for any additional DTCs using the Honda Diagnostic System. Focus specifically on whether DTC P0562, which indicates a charging system low voltage, is present. If P0562 is indicated, it is crucial to proceed with troubleshooting this code, as it may be directly related to the issues at hand. Addressing this can help isolate the malfunction further. Conversely, if P0562 is not indicated, the next step is to verify the original failure with DTC P065A. This means attempting to duplicate the failure conditions that led to the DTC being triggered. If the system is operational at this time, you should inspect other related components, like the alternator and drive belt, for potential issues. The final step in troubleshooting DTC P065A is to inspect the drive belt, which plays an important role in the operation of the alternator. A worn or damaged drive belt can prevent the alternator from functioning properly, leading to insufficient charging of the battery. During this inspection, look for visible signs of wear, cracks, or fraying in the belt. If the drive belt appears to be in good condition, the focus should shift towards the alternator itself, necessitating its repair or replacement, as it may be the cause of the no charging malfunction. However, if the drive belt is found to be damaged, it should be replaced to ensure that it can effectively transfer power to the alternator, thereby restoring proper charging dynamics. This careful approach to diagnostics and repair will help maintain the vehicle's electrical system integrity. Once repairs related to DTC P065A have been completed, it is essential to verify the repairs through systematic checks. Utilize the Honda Diagnostic System, HDS, to check for any new or remaining DTCs. This confirmation step helps ensure that the initial issues have been resolved and that no new codes are present. Additionally, it's critical to test the overall performance of the vehicle's charging system. Start by monitoring battery voltage levels while the engine is running, ensuring they fall within the manufacturer's specifications. Observing the functioning of related electrical systems, such as headlights and dashboard indicators, will also provide insights into the integrity of the repairs. Successful verification assures that the vehicle is returned to optimal working order. To prevent issues like DTC P065A from occurring in the future, implementing a regular maintenance schedule is vital. Regular inspections of the drive belt should be performed to catch wear and tear early. A well-maintained drive belt ensures efficient power transfer to the alternator, thereby promoting optimal charging performance. Moreover, monitoring the health of the battery can preempt related failures. Checking voltage levels periodically will help ensure the battery is holding a proper charge. It is also important to inspect all electrical connections for corrosion or looseness, as these can lead to reduced performance related to the charging system. By adhering to a robust preventive maintenance routine, you can enhance your vehicle's longevity and reliability. In summary, DTC P065A signifies the ACG No Charging Malfunction, which is critical for the vehicle's electrical system functionality. Understanding the implications of this code enables effective troubleshooting, starting from initial diagnostics with the HDS to exploring potential issues related to the alternator and drive belt. Each step in the troubleshooting process is designed to methodically isolate the issue, ensuring that repairs are targeted and effective. Regular preventive measures, such as inspecting drive belts and monitoring battery health, significantly enhance vehicle reliability and can prevent similar issues from arising. By following a structured approach to both diagnostics and maintenance, owners can ensure that their Honda Fit remains in optimal working condition. Please like and subscribe to the channel. See you next time.